A repaired crack needs resealing once it shows renewed separation, brittleness, or pulls away from the edges. Start by establishing a simple annual inspection routine that you can do at eye level and with a flashlight to spot small changes. Press along the repaired area gently with a fingernail or blunt tool to check flexibility. A properly cured sealant should yield slightly and not crumble. Measure separation visually and note whether the gap is widening beyond the original repair line. Photograph and date your images so you can compare year to year. Clean the surface before deciding to reseal by removing loose particles, dirt, and any failed sealant using a putty knife or a plastic scraper to avoid damaging substrate edges. If the existing material has hardened, powdered, or shows loss of adhesion, remove it back to sound material until you reach firm edges and a clean profile for the new sealant to grip. When applying new sealant, choose a product formulated for the substrate and local climate. Follow the manufacturer temperature and humidity window, tool the joint to ensure full contact with both sides, and allow full cure time before exposing the repair to traffic or moisture. 3 common mistakes homeowners make are leaving old brittle sealant in place, which blocks adhesion, applying sealant over dirty or damp surfaces, which prevents bonding, and using the wrong type of sealant for the material or movement expected. If old sealant is left, remove it mechanically until you reach firm, clean edges, and then prime if the sealant manufacturer recommends it. If surfaces are dirty or damp, clean thoroughly and allow complete drying, or use a manufacturer-approved cleaner and primer before resealing. If the wrong sealant was used, replace it with one rated for the substrate and expected joint movement, and follow the ambient conditions and cure time specified on the product label. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to give contractors a place to find new work that matches their skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users share hands-on tips, timelines, and real-world experiences about maintenance tasks like crack resealing,